In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with TikTok Shop as an affiliate, and even if you don't want to show your face on camera. This is one of the simplest affiliate marketing side hustles you can start right now. It's fast, free, and actually beginner friendly. So we're going to get into how to pick trending products that are already making other people money, how to create short videos that sell. I'll also walk you through a few tools that I recommend that will speed things up and help you actually start earning commission faster. Let's get into it. So let's get into what TikTok Shop affiliate marketing actually is. If you're new to this, here's the basic idea. TikTok Shop is a feature inside TikTok that lets creators link products directly in their videos. If someone watches your video, clicks the link, and buys the product, you get paid. It's that simple. This works because TikTok wants people to stay inside the app and shop there. They're incentivizing creators by giving your videos extra reach when you include TikTok Shop products. And as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you don't need to handle products, shipping, or customer service. Your only job is to pick a product, create a video about it, link the product to the video. If someone buys, you make money. No overhead, no upfront costs, just your time, creativity, and strategy. So step number 1 is to set up your TikTok Shop affiliate account. To get started, you'll need to create a TikTok Shop affiliate. This process is free and only takes a few minutes. I will say you do need to have 5,000 followers and be 18 years or older, but all you'll do is go to the Creator Center, click apply as an affiliate, and fill out your basic info. Once approved, you'll get access to the TikTok product marketplace. This is where you'll find all of the products available for promotion, including details like commission rates, seller ratings, shipping timelines, and most importantly, what's trending right now. This is where most people get overwhelmed, but trust me, this part's easy once you know what to look for. Step number 2 is to pick a winning product to promote. Now, you might be tempted to just pick a random gadget or viral item, but not every product converts. You want to choose something that is already trending, solves a problem, has high quality video content available, and pays a decent commission. If you're just guessing, you might waste time making videos for products that don't sell. So here's what I would recommend. First, head to the TikTok Shop product marketplace and sort by best sellers. Look for items that have already sold thousands of units, especially those with 10 to 20% commission rate. Second, cross-reference these products inside TikTok. Just search the product name and look for the videos that are getting tens or hundreds of thousands of views. Pay attention to the style of the video, the hooks, and the comments. This is your research phase. And if you want to go a step further, you can use something like ShareASale to find affiliate products you can promote outside of TikTok too. Some of these products are on both platforms, so you can double up your income using TikTok Shop and traditional affiliate links on your email list or maybe blog. That link is in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Step number 3 is to turn your profile into a sales funnel. This is something a lot of beginners skip, but it makes a huge difference. You need to treat your TikTok profile like a landing page. Add a clear profile picture, write a bio that explains who you help and what kind of content you create. For example, helping you find the best Amazon and TikTok gadgets, products I love, with a little down arrow to a link. That works way better than something vague. Then link your affiliate hub, and I recommend using a tool like GetLasso. I personally like it because you can create a clean, clickable product hub that can update anytime. It also shows which links people are actually clicking, so you can track what's working and what's not. If you're not ready for a full website yet, Lasso gives you a way to host all of your product links in one place without needing to code or design anything. I want to just quickly show you what that looks like. So here you can see they've got marketplace. You can even choose your niche. And then this is where the marketplace is. So you can look at even top products, new products. You can search products, and then they've got different opportunities. And then this is where you can create your links. So you'll just add a new link, put it right there and click add link, and you can keep them all organized right here. You also can connect a website or YouTube or anything else. And then you can track income. You also can see your payouts. And again, you can just have everything organized in one place. Step number 4 is to create your first TikTok affiliate video. This is where things get fun and where a lot of people get stuck. They think, I don't want to be on camera, or I don't know how to edit. But the truth is, the best performing videos are often super simple. Start with the hook, value, CTA method. The hook grabs attention in the first 2 seconds. It could be a text like, stop scrolling if you cook at home, or this gadget saved me $50 a week. The value shows the benefit. You can explain how the product works, what problem it solves, or why it's better than others. The call to action is what drives clicks. Say something like linked below before it sells out, or tap the link in this video to grab yours. Now, if you don't want to show your face, there are plenty of online tools that let you create videos using AI avatars. One tool is called HeyGen. It lets you type in a script, choose a realistic avatar, and it generates the video for you, including the voiceovers and the visuals. It's a great option for product reviews, list style videos, or explainer content, especially if you want a clean professional look without filming yourself. I've also left the link in the description if you want to get started, but here I just wanted to show you what it looks like on the inside. So So all you do is click create video. It can be an avatar video or a video translation. If you want, since we're doing TikTok, we'll want to do a portrait. And then what you'll do is type the script in here, or you can upload an audio. Click generate. So it's still processing, but see how simple and easy it was to just even create a short little video. And just to walk you through a little bit here, this is where the home is. So you can go ahead and try an example. You can create a video about a specific topic. Maybe it's fitness, clothing. We can click generate, or you can use a URL. This is where you can organize all of your projects. They've got templates as well. You also can choose your different avatars, choose the AI voice, brand colors. So again, it's very simple and easy to use. And I've mentioned this in a lot of videos, but the UI and the user experience is so important to me. This is why I personally like HeyGen. And again, if you want to play around with it yourself, you can click the link in the description. Step number 5 is to add your product link and post the video. Once your video is done, it's time to post it. And this is where you link the product. When uploading your TikTok, you'll see the option to tag a product. Click that and search for the item you're promoting. This links the product directly to your video so viewers can shop instantly. Don't forget to repeat your call to action in the caption and comments, something like shop this product in the video, or tap to grab before it's gone. Also pin your own comment with a reminder, linked product is here, or something along those lines. The easier you make it for people to take action, the more money you'll make. Step number 6 is to build an email list. Yes, even as a TikTok creator. Most TikTok creators don't think long term. They go viral once and have no way to capture that audience. Don't be that person. Start collecting emails from day one. Create a simple freebie like top 5 TikTok shop products under $20 or my viral product checklist. You can build a free landing page and email list using Beehive. It's definitely a great tool for creators who want to turn followers into subscribers. I'll show you around Beehive in a second, but I just want you to understand why this is so important, because not everyone is going to buy on your first click. But if they're on your list, you can remind them, send new product videos, or even promote other affiliate offers down the line. Beehive is designed to grow with you, and you can even get started for free. What it looks like on the inside, again, like I said, the user experience is very important to me. So here you can see it's very easy to use. If you just want to start writing and send an email, you just click plus, a blank draft. You can also do a classic editorial, tech roundup, like choose a template that best fits your needs. Here are some other posts that you can start writing and draft up right here. Here's where you can look at your subscribers, your segments, automation, polls, surveys. And again, the beauty of this is that once you have people on your email list, you're sending emails directly to their inbox. So you are not hoping that the algorithm sends it to them, it's going straight to them. So with this, you can add affiliate links in there as well, which is why ShareASale is also so important. Step number 7 is to track what works and follow up. Once you've posted a few videos, it's time to get analytical. Which videos are getting the most views? Which ones are converting? Are people clicking the product links or are they bouncing? That way you can really decide what's working and what's not, and where you can put your energy and attention on creating more videos like that. That turns your side hustle into a real business. You're not just posting and praying, you're actually looking at the real data to see what works. Making money with TikTok Shop is such a great side hustle. You don't need a website, you don't need inventory, and you don't need to be a full-time content creator. You just need a phone, a product, and a strategy. So again, start by signing up for the TikTok Shop, pick one product that already has traction, make a simple video, post it, track what happens, and then tweak it and improve it and try again and rinse and repeat. And if you want to make your life easier, I've left all those tools that I mentioned in the description below. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. This channel is dedicated to giving you real strategy to build an income online. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.